Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Aundoo VAISHNAVI from the Mauritius Island, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a DIY facial mask. As you can see, I'm having pimple problems on my cheek and on my forehead, so I'm going to show you guys how to make this recipe, this easy recipe. But first of all, those who haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what you want next and hit that notification button so you get notified when I post my videos. So let's go for it. So guys, I'm using this baby powder. This is our first ingredient. I'm using this brand name, but you can use any type of brand name you want, but you want to make sure that's safe for your skin. I'm using an Aloe one. You can use a normal one if you want.
You also need water and a bowl for the mixture.
Now we have our paste and we're going to apply it. It's been 5 minutes since this is on my skin, and it has tightened up, as you can see, and now it's time to wash. So guys, as you can see, I've rinsed my face off. I've took off the mask and my skin feels super soft. What baby powder does on your skin is that firstly, it softens your skin. Your skin turn out smooth. Secondly, it kills bacteria, and thirdly, it prevents your skin to turn out oily. And I hope you like this video guys. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share and comment down below what you want me to do next. Till then,